What's up, everybody? Dominikas here, back at it again. We're in my spaceship. I'm gonna throw in my day-to-day this week so you can see what me and my partners have been doing, just to give you guys a little bit of storytelling. When I was a wee little lad, I was lost in the sauce. I didn't know what I was doing. And now I'm here at the age of 25, being a millionaire. Sounds pretty crazy to say, but here I am. I learned a few things along the way, so I'm gonna share this with you guys. If you guys like the motivational videos, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's get right into it. Number one is gonna be discipline and consistency. You have to do the work. I don't work a 9 to 5. I don't work for anyone. I work for myself. But when you work for yourself, you have to have discipline, and you have to be able to tell yourself, hey, listen, I can't go out tonight, or I can't hang out with my friends and smoke weed all day. I make my schedule around myself and what I like to do. So if sometimes I have to work at 5 and I have to wake up at 10 the next day, it is what it is. And sometimes I get to sleep until 2 o'clock, and that's fun. The biggest thing to anyone that wants to be successful is gonna be the sacrifice. So if you're not willing to put in the time and sacrifice some things, you're never going to be able to achieve your dreams. Whether you want to be an artist, whether you want to be a business person, whether you want to be news forecaster, whatever it is, you're going to have to make sacrifices. Number 2 is humbleness or humility. I think I am the greatest hotshot that's ever walked this earth, but I also think that I'm just another regular dude in this world of 7 billion people that is irrelevant. And that's the mindset that's helped me get through a lot of things, is that I've seen how far I've come, and I've seen how much stuff that we've done, and it makes me feel really good. But then sometimes I have to take a step back and realize that I haven't done anything yet, and I still need to keep going, and I need to humble myself. A big thing about this is you always have to be learning, right? No matter how old you get, no matter if I'm 50, I'm 60 years old, I'm always going to be surrounding myself with people that are smarter than me and learning from them. The worst type of people that you can be around is the people that think they know it all, that they have it all figured out, because realistically they probably don't, and there's always going to be someone smarter than you. You have to stay curious. So whatever it is that you're trying to do, whatever your goal is, stay curious, keep learning about it, keep finding yourself involved around it. By always learning, by always keeping yourself open and available, you're gonna run into opportunities. Opportunities are just gonna present themselves, whether that's working with someone that you always wanted to work with, whether that's accomplishing something that you always wanted to accomplish, right? These things are gonna come to you when you open yourself up and when you let go. And sometimes you have to kind of let go of control and let things just happen naturally. And number 3 is gonna be leadership, okay? Leadership, when you develop yourself enough, you're gonna have to hire people, you're gonna have to bring people on board, you're gonna have to teach people, you're gonna have to teach people kind of how to do your job, or help them help you, if that makes sense. And leadership goes a lot beyond just telling people like what to do and how to do it, right? A lot of it, I think, is attitude. Sometimes I find myself getting frustrated with people that I'm working with, but I have to realize that maybe they haven't been through the education that I've been through, or maybe they haven't experienced what I've been through. So I have to explain it to them, and I have to realize that most of the time it's not their fault, it's my fault for not explaining stuff correctly. Obviously, some people, there's no way to help them, they're lazy, it's not gonna work, just fire them, get rid of them, don't put them in your life, right? But a lot of the times, a lot of people have a lot of good potential. You just have to be willing to teach them. You have to be willing to lead them. Part of the reason that I'm making videos again, and part of the reason that I'm on here talking to you guys, is to motivate you, but to also show you that, hey, you can do it. You have to be able to rely on yourself, and you have to be self-sufficient. Nobody's gonna hand you any opportunities. I'm grateful for everything that I've had given to me and presented to me, but at the same time, you gotta keep going, and you have to keep pushing forward. On your way to the next level, and to the next level, to the next level, you're gonna be challenged, and if you don't have a strong spine, as people say, if you don't have good backbone, you're gonna find yourself giving up fairly easily. If you guys like that video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna be coming back here every single week to ramble and motivate some of you guys. So hope you guys enjoy it, and until the next video, peace.